on? Ange here again. So today I'm out here with Saul and we're going to do a rustler versus rustler. So as you can see, Saul has got his rustler out there and there is mine. So everything is stock standard on mine as a 3S, got the Valenion motor, and the ESC is only a 3S, 3,500 on the motor there. I just have done the shockers. I've redone the shockers to 85 weight and also done all the diffs as well. So everything's ready to go on that. And with Saul's is heavily modified. Yeah, it is. Saul's going to have to explain that one to me because I've got no idea what's in there.
So we've got a Hobbywing WP SC8, 3 to 4S speed control. The motor I'm running is a Turnigy 3665, 3,190 kV. And I think I'm running 21 tooth pinion gear and the Mod Point 8 gearing. And I think we might be running the same batteries at the moment. Oh no, I've got a...
You got the Florion.
So yeah. And as you can see, I'm just running a Florion 3000 milliamp 30C 3S battery at the moment. This does run 4S, obviously. Give it a bit of a run on 3S while Andrew's running his on 3S as well. Yeah, so as you can see, that's without the body on. That's everything stock standard in there. Nothing's been changed except the battery. I'm running a, if I can get this off, just run the Yumi Power. Try and get in some shade decks a bit bright. Just getting running some Yumi Power 5200 80C 3S battery there. So yeah, we're gonna get the bodies on here and just have some fun. Also, what I've done with this, guys, and thanks to Saul, I did buy this car on Marketplace, and would you believe, actually bought it for $25. What? That's right, guys, you heard it right here. I bought this car for $25 without the body though. So Saul, actually Saul, this is Saul's old body from that Rustler there. So I bought that, actually. Yeah. So yeah, I bought the body from Saul, and then obviously I bought all the accessories, the skid plates and the body support underneath. So yeah, so I've been very grateful to Saul for letting me buy that from him, because he did have a spare one. But yeah, guys, I bought this Rustler for $25. Don't know what the guy was thinking, but hey, it's a win for me. So yeah, go. First time bringing this one out. Saul's got the ramp out as well. So it's going to be a while since I've done this. Nice. Nice. Does really well. Do a few more jumps and then we'll take it a little bit harder. Beautiful, nice and smooth. Wow, this thing is amazing. I can't believe how smooth it is, Saul.
Yeah, they are very smooth cars.
Oh. Oh. Hit that rock, something there. Got to get those bumpers like Saul's got. It'll save me a lot. Wow. Oh my goodness, Saul. Oh, they sound great, they drive great. Nice. Nice. That was a good one. I'm loving that. Nice. Nice. That was lovely. Oh. Oh! Probably a little bit too hard on the brake on that one. Nah, something's not right. My steering's funny. Something doesn't seem right. I was just bouncing all over the shop then. Oh, something's let go on the back. Oh, what's happened on the back?
Oh.
What is going on here? Jammed the shock.
I think you might have bent the shock.
Bent the shock.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I was driving funny.
That's why I took the RPM, sorry, the GPM shocks on.
Yeah. Alright guys, so officially I'm done now. Don't know if you can see that, but I've actually bent the rear shock there, the right rear shocker. So that's why the car wasn't running right. It was just getting stuck up there like that. So you can see if you can see that angle of that shocker there, just not the best. So yeah, I'll have to try and straighten up that the shock shaft there and then see how we go. Alright guys, so accidentally hit Saul in the back of the head. I know it's funny, but it's not funny because these things can be dangerous. But yeah, Saul's alright. He's got his lollipop, so he's alright.
Got my medicine.
But yeah, no, seriously, it's not a laughing issue, but you know, you just got to be careful with these things. Alright guys, so don't forget to leave a like and a comment. And thanks to Saul for coming out and just having a bash against Rustler versus Rustler. And we'll see you on the next run.